Here's a look at your work for Tuesday for math class. So Tuesday, you have something to learn and something to practice. You should have already completed the check-in form that's here from yesterday, logged into Dreambox, and done an introductory video. Check this slide for your intro, your introductory video, and put the smiley face over the video that you chose. So if you chose to watch the song, you're going to slide the smiley face over the song so we know which video that you watched. So you may have started the learn portion yesterday. You have a choice of a Nearpod or taking notes from this video. So that should be done. If not, you're going to do that today. If you did the notes, you take a screenshot of them or a picture of them and you post them here so we can see that it's done. If you did the Nearpod, we'll get that information through Nearpod so you don't have to post anything there. Or if you want to type, I did Nearpod here. So for practice today, there's 10 practice problems on thatquiz.org. There's some examples here that are done, a little video here on IXL. It's the same concept. So if you want to watch Ms. Hartman's practice videos, you can. We also included a retake if needed, just to get some really good practice here. You can put the smiley face over the first block. If you did the retake, you can put the smiley face over the retake. When you open the link, it'll look like this. And you're going to use our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the two sides that make up the right angle, those are the legs. So those are your A and B. We're looking for the C. So we're going to do 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. Grab your calc if you need it. This is 64 plus 36 equals c squared. Simplify. What is 64 plus 36? That's 100 for c squared, but we want just c, or just this side length. So the final step is to take the square root of 100. So c is just 10 for this one. Here's another one. Same formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. These two sides that make up the right angle, these are your A and B. Now substitute in 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. What is 5 squared, or 5 times 5? That's 25. What's 12 times 12, or 12 squared? That's 144. Then add that together. That adds up to 169 for c squared. And then remember that last step, take the square root of that. What square root means what times what is 169? It has to be the same number. The square root of 169 is 13. So c equals 13. Okay, so there's a couple of practice examples. Remember that last step to take the square root. So here's your suggested schedule. We want 3 lessons on Dreambox, your check-in form, your intro video, your notes or your Nearpod, and then today's practice. Tomorrow I'll show you the review, and then on Thursday there's a checkout form. If interested, join this Zoom meeting today at 1.